Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. In this video, I'm going to replace GE gas cooktop igniter. One of the igniter burned, so all stopped working. We have to replace whole set. I'm working with model number JGP636BED1BB. Basically, all gas cooktops have the same process to replace the igniter. It can be a different way to access to the igniters. Step 1. We're going to remove electrical plug going to igniter. We're going to shut off gas inlet to the gas stove for safety. Then top of the gas cooktop, for this model we have to remove all the knobs, and we're going to remove all the burners, and we're going to access under the burner. Each one have a 2 screw. We have to remove those all screws one by one using Phillips screwdriver. I took a one off, and we're going to repeat same process to all. Once we remove all the screws, just easily pick up a catch pan and disconnect the wire coming from igniter using as a quick disconnect connector. All 5 burners have a same quick disconnect, and we're gonna disconnect all one by one. Once all burners are disconnected, now we can pick up easily top glass part, or in certain case, like in mine case, it was stuck to the counter, so I have to run knife around the glass, then I pick it up. If we force it to pick it up, it can break. Once you remove your glass from the counter, transfer to safe spot so don't break. Now we have access to the actual igniter modules we're gonna change. I'm gonna bring my camera close so you can see which one is burned. Actually, that's the one is burned. The reason for burning, it has some liquor food drop on them. So to replace, we need to disconnect old one. First, we're gonna disconnect main power coming to the igniters. All are used quick disconnect connectors. Sometimes it come easy, but those one little tight, so it take a little force to pull apart. And then you easily pick it up. Those from the knob you use to turn on and off gas. We also have to disconnect the wire goes to the actual lighters, but I will wait until I put a new one. I bought this one. Actually, this one is for General Electrical, same stove, but it's little very different. I find out after it opened, but it will work perfect for this model. You have to little bit think about how you can put it on. So you need to make sure you want to turn on your igniter as soon as you turn on gas, like at max side. So if you flip, no big deal, you can flip it back. So I have a little bit time consumed to figure it out how I will lay down. Once all set, I disconnect one wire at a time, going to the lighters and install same kind of wire from new igniters, and then I connect main power to the igniter. Once you install all the wire, before you put glass top on them, make sure all the switches are actually clicked in. Otherwise, when you spin your knob, it will spin, will not light your burner. Once you done with the igniter, put glass top, and you can put back your all the catch pans, then put back your burners using the same process you used to take it off. Now we installed all the catch pans and burners, knobs, put it back, and ready to test. As I'm putting my stuff back, I just wanna explain what I have issue. I was testing igniter without the burners on, and it confused me because it was lighting under. To test your igniter, you have to put your actual burners, because your lighter work like spark goes to the ground. So you need actual burners on top of the igniter to make sure it works. Otherwise, it will confuse you like sparking underneath. Why is sparking? Once we're done, we're ready to test. You flip switch, it should light up. Now, time to plug in power back to the 120 and turn on gas. If you felt it's not lighting up, then you can try to moving your switch at the lower side, and if that's lower side is click and the light, that means you have to flip your switch to make it work at the max side. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.